Okay, so today I got pair of studio monitors. These are the Presonus Eris speakers. I just gonna go and just take them apart on camera for you. These are a little bit older ones. I don't think you can get this particular exact model anymore. I pulled all the screws here, and I'm gonna just carefully pull it out and see if I can figure out what I heard rattling in it. And we'll have a look and see something. So that's the power amplifier section, and there's it's just a giant chip. So but yeah, I heard something rattle in here. I'm assuming since I got these at Goodwill, somebody donated them, and somebody's kid probably put something in there. But I'm not. There we go. Aha! I found it. A bass guitar pick. Really super thick. So, let's see, Diodario. That's cool. Okay, I don't think anything else is in here. Everything else looks good. These are pretty well made. I'm actually kind of surprised how well they're made. Try and get this to go all completely right back in there properly. So this is the 3.5 Eris, and I mean these things, they sound really, really, really good, real good. I have some M Audio 5-inch driver ones, and they're not nearly as good. So I definitely like these. I don't know how much abuse they can handle, you know, as far as like turning them up really, really loud. But let's see. There we go. So they fit real snug.